website do you put the video on?
This goes on YouTube.
What's your name?
On YouTube. Just MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. You go to MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. At first I was trying to catch them while they're commenting. I was hearing sounds like, oh man, this is so good. But now they're aware of it, so I don't. They were like, this is so good. So, but now you see why I was telling you it takes a while.
Yeah.
And I must tell you, anywhere you go and they make jerk chicken, ask them how they make the chicken. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna tell you on camera because I don't want everybody to know what you must look for. And if they tell you they make jerk chicken a certain way, first of all, jerk chicken is not made in an oven. You can't sprinkle some jerk or go online and see something. That's not the real. You can get a version or some kind of copy, but it's not the original jerk chicken. And to make the real jerk chicken, it usually takes 5-6 hours. You know, but yeah, because it has to go through a process. And I make my own sauce. I don't buy sauce and put it on. That's not genuine. So yeah, that's my sauce have about 25 different stuff in it, wet and dry. Okay, so it's not 4 things. It's not 5 things.
You know, it's a complex flavor and it needs to come together.
Right, and then you have to you taste the flavor, and so when you walk away from here, you remember. You can't forget. And this is why I do that. Oh my goodness, look at this. She finished this already. And she's still doing it.
Still eating. So good.